Get the Party Started is a 2007 album by Welsh singer Dame Shirley Bassey. Background. Released in June 2007. The album features newly remixed tracks by contemporary producers. The remixes feature recorded vocal tracks previously issued in the 1980s and 90s. I Will Survive was recorded in 1996 for the album The Show Must Go On but was not issued at that time. In addition, the album features new recordings including a cover version of Pink's Get the Party Started, which fronted the 2006 Marks & Spencer Christmas advertising campaign. This track was used again in 2010 for the opening credits of the spy spoof movie, Cats and Dogs: The Revenge of Kitty Galore. The album project was spearheaded by Bassey and saw her working with songwriting partners Catherine Feeney and Nicky Lamborn, who co-wrote the song, The Living Tree. The album was released in the UK and Europe on Monday, 25 June 2007 without being leaked onto the internet before the release date. It entered the UK Albums Chart at number 6. Her highest chart position for a studio album since 1970 and since 1978 overall. On the 22nd of July 2013 it was awarded a silver disc by BPI. Due to the success of the digital download of the single, Get the Party Started, by Chris Cox, Get the Party Started was released officially in the United States on the 18th of March 2008 on the Decca label, making it the first album to be released there by Bassey after a long time absent. Track listing. Get the Party Started. Big Spender. North by Northwest remix. Vocal recorded in 1984 for I Am What I Am. I, Who Have Nothing. Quote. North by Northwest remix. Vocal recorded in 1984 for I Am What I Am. This Is My Life. Caged Baby remix. Vocal recorded in 1984 for I Am What I Am. Slave to the Rhythm. The Glimmers remix. Can I Touch You There? Quote. Canute Savick and Paul. Strange Fruit. Nias. What Now My Love. Bugs in the Attic remix. Vocal recorded in 1984 for I Am What I Am. Kiss Me Honey. Honey. Restless Soul remix. Vocal recorded in 1984 for I Am What I Am. Hello. Dobie remix. You Only Live Twice. Mark de Clive Lowe remix. Vocal recorded in 1987 for the Bond collection. The Living Tree. Catherine Feeney. Nicky Lamborn. Asterisk. Where Is the Love? Bruno E. remix. I Will Survive. North by Northwest remix. Previously unreleased vocal performance from 1996. Asterisk. New recordings exclusive to this release. Get the Party Started. Deluxe version. The album was reissued in November 2009 as a digital download only with several bonus tracks and a digital booklet. Get the Party Started. Soundscape Radio Edit Mix. New remix exclusive to this release. Big Spender. Pink Pound remix. Vocal recorded in 1984 for I Am What I Am. The Living Tree. Shaken and Stirred mix. The Living Tree. Promotional video. Get the Party Started. Promotional video. Chart performance.